Imagine yourself in this GMC 2020 Acadia SLE. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 6 speakers, 6-speaker audio system feature, AM/FM radio, SiriusXM, premium audio system, GMC Infotainment System, radio data system, radio, AM/FM with 8-diagonal multi-touch display, SiriusXM radio, air conditioning and automatic temperature control. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.